Right, so this is a ClickUp document, and I just thought I'd make this video clip just to show you what I'm doing. Here you can see I highlighted intro, and the moment you highlight it, drops a menu. Here I hit the /, it picks up a menu so you can add in anything. Here I'm going to put in a mention. I'll mention you and type something so that you can see what it's all about. So these are just formatting tools, number one, for within the document, as well as the ability to drop in things. On the left hand side here you can see the navigation menu, and on the right hand side you can open it up and there's some more settings that you can play with on the right hand side when you're using ClickUp documents. At the top here you'll also see a comments tab, so if you open the comments tab you'll be able to go down and you'll be able to enter a comment. If you put an @ sign you can pull somebody's name in, or you can just put a general comment in, so that helps if we're both working on a document or you want to make a comment about what I've done. So hopefully that'll help you with docs.